Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to look at a case for another case for the iPhone 12 mini. This is my green iPhone 12 mini. I really am enjoying it. It's really great. But Ringke was kind enough to send over some cases, and this is one of them. Boy, do I like this case. This is the Air S from Ringke. Soft feeling coating it has out here, and that's exactly what you're going to get on the outside of this case. Now they actually sent over a purple one as well. Just wanted to review the black one here because it could get lots of use on this device. So on the bottom here you've got all the ports that you need, and I like how the ports are uniform to the device. Some of these cases that I've seen in my inbox, I look them over and they get sent out, and I noticed that this is kind of equal to this, when on the phone it's not really like that. It's actually like this. So we want to make sure your cases are lining up with your device. You got a spot for a lanyard on this side right here, and then you have the power button covered. And on the top, obviously nothing. And on this side, looks like another spot for a lanyard, volume rocker, and your vibrate mute switches. Has a big opening right there. On the back here, you've got a real faint Ringke branding, and then you've got your camera. Your camera hole is going to pop up just a little bit, so you'll be able to get a little protection on the phone back rear camera when you actually lay it down flat on the table. So what I'm talking about is you can see the camera is kind of tucked away now. It's kind of down in there. So if you lay it down like this, you can see how it will be protected. Now I am using a tempered glass on here from Whitestone Dome, so you can see that this case will work fine with that. One thing you should notice is that there's a lip on each corner of the case, and it pops up. The case kind of curves up, just so it slopes this way on all the corners. So take note of that. I think if you were looking for some front protection, you actually get it. So when you lay it this way, it's good to go. No problems whatsoever. So the case feels really good, really solid. I really like how it looks. It's just a nice solid black case, and I think that's important. But more importantly, it functions well, no problems. Nice clicky buttons, where the buttons still feel clicky with this case on it. And that is the Ringke Air S. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And you know what I'll do. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.